Peace fam, DB Bedford here, the EI guy, bring you that emotional intelligence, both personally and professionally. You know what, you guys, let's build. Like this sweatshirt that I'm wearing. I got this from my cousin Leo. This is a beautiful concept. When I think about building, right? Let's build together, but not let's just build financially. Let's build with knowledge, right? There's a lot of conversation about wealth, right? And legacy. We talk about building wealth so we can leave for our generations. But I'm here to tell you the truth. And you guys know this when you think about it. You can leave your kids all the wealth in the world, but if they're not educated, they don't have discipline, if they don't understand the value of money, they're going to blow. What took you 25 years, 30 years to build, they'll blow it in 3 years. And that's facts. So when we talk about building, let's build up our capacity to learn more, be more, do more. And that's exactly what I'm doing by showing you how to day trade using these future contracts. The EI Day Trader program is an excellent way for you to learn this skill, right? Because I'm going to teach you how to fish, not feed you fish. Once you learn this is a skill that you will have for life. And then this is also something you can pass down, meaning you can teach, you can download to your tribe and get them to understand the importance of it. And then see, that way, you know that they know how to make a way for themselves, even if they had to start from scratch, right? If they're working a job and somebody decides they don't want them to work there anymore, they know where to earn a couple of more dollars. And as you get into this space, then you start digging deeper into the financial world and you find you a sweet spot in the financial markets, because that's where all the money in the economy is being transacted every single day. It only makes sense, right? Every single day. Billions and billions of dollars are being transacted on the financial markets. You want to get a piece of that pie. You know, I always like to talk about time, and I'm going to keep my campaign focused around time. How much time does it take for you to earn the money that you have right now? And what do you have to do for it? Well, I want to keep that in perspective. So in 21 minutes, how would you be able to earn money? How much money do you earn in 21 minutes? That is what I want you to ask yourself when you're considering, should you learn this skill? Well, I'm going to show you in 21 minutes how I got $620. And it all happened right here from the comfort of my own home. Come on in and take a look. So today's trade is something else, and it's not the market, it's me. For some reason, I'm off on my entry points and taking contracts. And so even though I'm profitable, it's been a choppy profitable. And of course, I'm not complaining, but you know, I definitely could have benefited more from this trade and this big sell-off. And I haven't been able to take full advantage of it for some reason. This is why I say it's important to make sure you check your mood, your attitude, and your energy. And although I feel like I was on point, for some reason, I just wasn't hitting my marks like I should. Yeah, so I'm literally just like getting stopped out left and right. So, I mean, I'm up 620, and I think I need to fold today. So I'm happy to do it between 632 and 653. That's about a 21-minute trade to get $620. But if I'm honest, right, today wasn't one of my best trading days. I missed a lot of opportunity in this bar, and this bar, and it was like, had to do with my entry points, my timing. And so I'm going to go ahead and let that be the reason. I'm going to go ahead and fold with the 620. And so even though today I would not say it was one of my best performing trading days, and not necessarily monetary wise, but how I went about trading. But I will give credit to my skills that I've developed and what I relied on to manage, right, the trade to still come out profitable. Because I was in this bar right here, which was the first candle of the day. Now, this candle had from 21.35 to 21.17. That was 18 points. I only got 1 point out of there, and I had only traded one contract instead of 3 contracts. So when I say I was off my game, I didn't pay attention to my contract size. I entered too late because I got into the trade when the next candle was about to form, so around 632. But I just, you know, and a lot of the movement happened like in that first minute. So in the last 3 minutes, it started to hang around this area, and then the next candle, it reversed. So my skill kicked in by saying, okay, this candle is reversing. I didn't have my stop too close on this one because at the time the indicators were still very strong. And because of the overnight trading, I relied on the information that I knew and believed to weather this green candle. Now that's something that takes time that you learn to do. But when I did that, I was able to get back on this candle right here, capture some points. It hit my limit, and I came back in and got a little point here, hit my limit. But that was very choppy. I had to put every skill I knew to pull this caper off. But I did. And that's why I can appreciate, being an EI day trader, because everything that I share is applicable and you can use it if you just stick to the script. So I stuck to the plan, right? And stuck to my backup plan, like what happens if I get caught in reversal, but the indicators are still saying that there's momentum. So I had to believe in the momentum. So I still came out on top. So at the end of the day, I spent 21 minutes to earn $620. And that's the most important thing. And what's even more important than that is the ability, right? The skill that I am developing, because I will always develop it, allows me to see when there's an opportunity to enter into the financial markets and exit the financial market to take profit. There are millions and millions of dollars being transacted every single minute in the stock market. As an EI day trader, we're just waiting for our opportunity to get a piece of the pie. We get in, we get out, and we get on about our business for the day. Listen, you might not know this, but today, the 5-day trading challenge starts. It starts today at 5 o'clock West Coast time. So if you want to be in, you want to click the link connected to this video so you can get in, so you can get your opportunity to start learning this particular skill that not only is beneficial for you now, but will serve you for years to come.